Alright guys, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. Today I got something delicious, good, healthy, it's low carb and keto friendly, and it's great for the whole family if you're not even on a diet trend, losing type of weight gain process. If you're not on any of that, this is still going to be good for you for Sunday meal prep. So you know I do Sunday meal prep. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be cooking. It's very simple, easy, and you know I'm a one pan, one pot, crock pot type of girl. I do not like messes, and I do not like washing dishes. So if you've been following me, you know your notifications are turned on, you are subscribed, you have left a comment down below because I have comment back to you, and you like this video. So what's the problem? Get to it. Nothing but to do it. Let's get to it. So today I'm going to tell you what I'm cooking. I'm cooking a green chili chicken bake. Gooey, ooey, cheesy. I mean, it's going to melt in your mouth. You're going to love it. You're going to like it. You are going to want to copy this recipe every Sunday after Sunday after Sunday after Sunday. So what we're about to do is get into this kitchen. I'm about to do the rundown to the rundown. So let's get to it. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So we're in the kitchen now. So we're going to be cooking that green chili baked chicken that I told you about earlier. It's a lot, but it's not a lot. So just follow me in the kitchen, and I'm about to do the rundown on what we need. So I have about 4 big chicken breasts right here. I'm going to half them because I don't like thick chicken breasts. If you do, you can keep them like they are, but we can half them. That's what I'm going to do. You're going to need some thick cut bacon. I already cooked it, so I'm going to use that as well. You're going to need a pack of cream cheese, whatever cream cheese you like. You're going to need a can of green chili diced. You can get mild, high, or blazing. Really doesn't matter. I got mild. You're going to need some Monterey Jack cheese. So you just need a pack of that shredded. You can get the big or fine. You know, this has been my second favorite from Lawry's seasoning or seasoning. So this is what I like. If you do not have this, you just need some garlic powder, garlic salt, some onion powder, and some salt and pepper, which I actually have a little bit of salt and pepper right here. And I have some cumin. That's what you need, some cumin. I'm like, don't say that wrong. And then only thing that you're going to need to put this in is a dish. Now you can get one of these casserole dishes, but if you don't have a casserole dish, get it together. If you don't have a casserole dish, you can always use just one of these nice little pans. You can get them from the store, and I believe, I don't know what size it is, but just a medium size. You don't really need a big one. So before we cut our chicken up and before we cross-contaminate some things, I'm going to sit this on the side because first thing first, we're going to do the mixture of what we need. So this is simple and easy. You need to take out your cream cheese and make sure it is room temperature, because if it's room temperature, it's easy to combine all your seasonings that you need. So you need 1 pack of room temperature cream cheese. You need 1 can of your diced chilies. You need some seasoning, so just add a couple, but if you're doing measurements, you need a teaspoon and a teaspoon and a half of each one. Next, you're just going to take this that you have in your bowl, and you're going to mix it up. Make sure you mix it up very well so it's like a whip consistency. And then once you mix it up really good, you want to go ahead and taste it to make sure that you got a good amount of flavor. The diced green chilies is going to give it a nice flavor, but you want to make sure you have enough flavor from your garlic, your cumin, and your salt and pepper. So give it a nice little taste. I'm just going to add a little bit more of my garlic seasoning. And then I'm going to sit this aside. over here, you know, we like flavor. So mix this up really well. Alright, so it should be mixed up like this. You're going to go ahead and set it aside. Chicken has been pre-washed already, so it's not as if I just took it out the pack and said, hey, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in here. But if you like the chicken whole, you can keep it whole. If you don't, you can cut it, half it, which I am going to do because these are pretty large amount of chicken breast. See how big that chicken breast is? So I'm just going to go ahead and just cut this down to a thinner slice. And you want to make sure you trim off all of the excess fat like this right here. And you want a skinless chicken breast. And the best way to cut this in half, you want to make sure you have it flat. You want to put your hand on top. You want to take your knife and run it straight through so that it's in the middle and you cutting. And this is how people butterfly too, if this is your first time using the chicken. And then when you get done, you're going to have a nice half and half. So you just want to go ahead and just layer these in your pan. So I have 5 pieces of chicken in here, which is going to be good for my meal prep for the week. And all I did is just layer it in here. Go ahead and take the remaining of your chicken and everything off your counter and wash your hands. And then we're going to continue to resume to fixing this up. So now what you want to do with the chicken, you half them. I have 5 in here, so that's for 5 days. I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit of salt and pepper on top, not a lot, just a little bit. If you have Himalayan salt, go ahead and use that as well. That's better than the table salt. Alright. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and get your mixture that you had earlier, which is your cream cheese, your seasoning, and your diced chili peppers. And you want to go ahead and just layer this on top of your chicken. So you want to actually just cover it up. Like so. And you just want to put it down the middle. And make sure every piece of chicken has a nice little portion of it. Now if you want to make a bigger one, you can always go ahead and get you a bigger dish. But if you're like me, you just want to make just enough for the week so you don't have any leftovers and everybody's getting the same amount, you just want to go ahead and make just enough of chicken. So about 4 chicken breasts does this meal. And you want to spread it out so that all the chicken is covered with the cream cheese and chilies. But make sure it's on the chicken and not on the pan, because the chicken is going to soak up all these good flavors. That looks beautiful. Now at this time you want to preheat your oven to 350. This is going to bake for like 20-25 minutes. Okay. So next thing you want to do is go ahead and take your pieces of thick cut bacon that you had, and this is going to make it even better. And you just want to crumble it up. And this is an element of surprise because people are not going to know they're going to have some bacon under here. You can use turkey bacon, you can use turkey breast if you want, you know. You don't always have to use chicken. But chicken for this, a chicken breast is pretty good. So you just want to go ahead and crumble up this halfway cooked bacon. And you just want to sprinkle it underneath your batch of cheese that you're going to add. Now, you can use whatever cheese you want. You can use pepper jack cheese. You can use the Monterey Jack cheese that I have right here. Or whatever cheese you're into, you can use them. But I'm going to use this Monterey Jack cheese. And I'm just going to give a nice generous sprinkle on here. And again, this is low carb, keto friendly. So this cheese has 0 carbohydrates in there. And for a 1/4 cup. So we're going to use a 1/2 cup, which is a 1/2 pack. And we're just going to sprinkle the cheese on top. Alright, so now what you're going to do, this is how your casserole dish should look. You're going to put your oven on 350 Fahrenheit, and then you're going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. When it comes out, it's going to be bubbly and good and goldish and delicious and brown. Now, if you want that golden brown on top, you're just going to put your broiler on high for 2 to 3 minutes, and then this is going to be very delicious. So when I come back, I'm going to show you how this is going to look, and hopefully you enjoy. So I'll see you in a little bit. That little sauce that it made with the cream cheese and the chili, you got like a little sauce going on. Okay. Clearly it's good because I can't even explain what I'm feeling inside of my body. But this is my meal prep. All I have to do is make a little salad on the side, or some spinach, or some squash, or zucchini. Whatever I choose to do with this, I can do it. But we were working on our protein because you get tired of eating the same stuff. So I'm just about to pick one of these, cut it open, and let y'all know. So I put 5 of them in here, and I'm just going to cut and package the plan, okay? Cut and package the plan. I'm going to take this little one right here, and I'm going to put this little one on my plate so that y'all can see the goodness that I'm about to get to you. I'm about to bring you some real good live food, okay? So let me just, oh, I don't even know how to explain this. Okay, so make sure you just cut it. And, y'all. It's looking so delicious. It smells divine. Divine, okay? Ooh, it's hot, it's hot. Look at the steam. Look at the steam that's coming off of there. Look at the juices that's in there. Look at me like, don't forget the juices. Yeah, this is looking the bomb. Look at that. I'm going to sit that down right there. Just look. So here's a piece of chicken right here. I'm just going to show y'all. Look how juicy this is. Shut up. It's good. So I'm about to give y'all the specs about this. Look how juicy that chicken is. If you have ever cooked a chicken and it's been dry, you need to do this because it has moisture texture. It has the crunch on top, the cheese. It's not overpowering. It's delicious. It's good. And y'all. Okay. Bring it back. Bring it back. This is delicious. So, until next time, like, subscribe, join the channel, comment down below. And make sure you try this recipe out. It was simple, it was easy, it didn't take long, and it was a one-dish wonder. What are you saying? A one-dish wonder. Easy cleanup. So let's get ready to just put these in our containers and meal prep. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you want to know exactly what I put in here, just hit me up and I will let you know. Until next time, peace.